This is Dave Manvelato Odds. It is April 17th, 2023. Okay, I want to give you an update on a new feature that we released for the Quick Pick feature. It's an upgrade. And then I'm going to briefly discuss what we're working on next, the upgrade to the Quick Pick, which is pretty cool. All right, so we repaired this combined winners feature here. If you remember in the past, there were two boxes. Now there's only one box. You can put in three pass winners, or you can put in pairs, and it works with here. It works with a quick pick. So the quick pick is like this. Hold on, go to box. Okay, then you click the quick pick right there, and then here. This is where it operates in this level, the pair sum right there. We see the title pair sum. This level right here. Okay, these are the pairs, right? So what it does, it takes a past three winners, okay, for this level. Hold on, let me flip it to box view, which is low to high. Hit that arrow. There we go. Minimize that. Okay, here's the number. So it takes the three past winners. It creates pairs out of them like that. And then it divides them into pair sum groups like that. And it gives you the high-low right there. And then it shows you if it's a front, back, or pair, which whatever it is right there. It shows you. All right, front split back or front back split, front split. Okay, it shows you where the pairs are located in those numbers. All right, so now what you can do is you can customize this. Right, so now you could customize it. You could put in your past three numbers like this, and then if you want to just do another number, different one, and jump to a different one like that, and you apply it, it will change. It will take these numbers, create pairs out of them, replace this here, and then show you what the pairs are that were created from your customized numbers. Or what you could do is, do you have your own pairs? Say, for example, you only playing 15 pair. You saw 15 pair was overdue. You enter the 15 pair there and you apply. And that's the numbers. The 10 numbers are right there for you. And then it divides them in their pair sum groups like that. Okay, and as you know, 8, 9, and 10 are the most popular. Okay, whichever one is due. Hold on, let's see what's overdue here. You got 10 is already played, 9 is overdue. You could say, for example, 9 was overdue. 921, 912, and you've got these numbers here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers only. Right there, and you can even reduce them more. You can utilize with this first view here, with the first click, you can utilize the filters with it to reduce them more. Go to 64 pair sums. I'm going to reduce it down to 9. See, like that. So you got the 9. This is actually, hold on, apply. Okay, got to fix that here. Okay, so it looks like, hold on, looks like it jumps you, but the filters jump you back. All right, so this is just something you got to work on. All right, but it's good that you know this. Okay, so here, 15, you got the 15 here. Then if I utilize the filters, let's see. Take out the 10. All right, so I got to work on that. So okay, so you know what the okay, what the negative aspect is here is basically I've got to connect this. When you customize it, you could use the filters, but if you didn't customize it, you can utilize the filters. It works like that, that. Okay, see, works like that. Okay, so I just got to connect that to it. All right, so now next I want to show you what we're working on to add to Quick Pick, and it's pretty cool. And since before I do that, let me just quickly go over past upgrades that we did just to make sure that you're aware of them. So the Quick Pick levels here, you see the green numbers, okay? This is what we added previously. All right, here. These are the green numbers. See that? Green numbers. So it's showing you if the green numbers when they won and when they didn't win right there. So you could say, okay, I see 4 green. I think it's high probability the green's not going to win next. And look at all these that are not green. So what could you do with all that? You could remove all the greens on level 1. Okay? Remove all the greens. So you 001, say for example. All right, so, and then we added it to history page. So in the history page, you have all that as well. So you just click the lowest winning digit right there. All right, and then it takes time to populate right there. And always use Chrome because it's faster. So there you go. So you have it there on the history page as well. Okay. Let's see. What else do I have to have? Okay, so let me just talk to you about what we're working on next, which is pretty cool. Okay. Here. When you click on here, when you click onto the box numbers, right? And then you click on twice, you get these, right? The predictions, the levels, levels 1, level 2, level 3, right? We're adding this, adding hit and win. You see the hit and win here, the drop down here, the drop down within the drop down. Okay, well, these look at all these hit wins, hit wins, hit wins, hit wins, hit wins. Okay, a hit is when one digit from the past three winners showed up on in the first number position, like C7, 7, 3, 3, C0, 0, 2, 2, 1, 1, 4, 4, like that. That's what a hit means. A win means the past three digits, okay? The past three winners contain the pair for the next winner, okay? They contain the pair for the next winner. So what we're doing is we're instead of you having to do this work and try to figure this out on your own, we are taking this and combining it, making it and automating it. Okay, so we're combining the hit and miss chart with the quick pick, right, feature, and we're doing it where whenever there's a hit win, right? So if you determine, or if you think like, look at all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a row. If you think the next draw is going to be a hit and win, you click this button, okay? And what happens is it will flash numbers, okay? It'll take the pairs, it'll utilize the last one right there, right? Okay, hit and miss right there, chart, the last one, entry. It'll take the pairs out of there, and then it will mix it up with the quick pick, and it'll flash the numbers. Then this is split pair, this is front pair, and this is back pair. So if you don't see anything flashing, then there's a low probability that the next winner is going to be a low high, because what we're dealing with here is we're dealing with low high, low high. So when I say split, splits are, you know what? Let me just show you. Hold on. Right there. Okay. So right there. Let me see if this is there. There it is. So split would be the front and the back, and then we have the front, which is divided between low high and low high. Okay. So low. See all the low lows in the front, and then low high, and then low high. And then the back is low high. See that? That's low high. See low high, and here low high. So the back would be low high and high like that. See that? Low high. See low high high like that. Okay, so that's how this is working. And let me show you. It just basically takes these numbers and works them out. Like remember, from the pick 3 has 0 to 9 numbers. So 0 to 4 is low, and 5 to 9 is high. So that's how this works. The low numbers takes the low numbers 1, 2, 3. See that? 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. That's the low. That's the only low you have. And then it takes the high. 6, 7, 8. Okay, 6, 7, 8. It does it like that. Okay, that's how that works. And it'll flash the numbers. So this is not flashing because there's nothing that connects it to it, right? So here, something like that. Click that. You see, this is one flashing. The split, you have the split here. Okay, you have the back there. Okay, with that one. And now this one, right there. You have the split. Okay, it's flashing. It shows you splits. It shows you front. It shows you back. Okay, and that works like this. Look, if you look at the winners here, let me flip this around again. If you look at the winners here, see this is level 1, because it's only going to be working with level 1 here, right? So we're going to be working with level 1 here. So you see the back, front, back. So this is what it is. So for example, if you had chosen the back, say for example, and this was the number there that came out, then you'll see this flashing, the number flashing. This was 633. 633. This is on level 3. 633, and I've got to modify this too because it's actually, all right, 633. What was that winner? 079. So look at that. The only number that's flashing is 079. You know, I know this is after the draw. I know that, but the fact that you had multiple other numbers and the only number right now is flashing is 079, you know, so it most likely would have been the only one flashing as well. Previously, probably. Anyway, this is pretty cool. And you know what? This is how I won. Yeah, I tested it out and I won the first draw. So let me show you. Hold on. All right, where is it? Where is it? Where's the win? Oh, here's the win. I think this is it. Yeah, it was 8 numbers. Those are the only ones that were flashing. The 8. Okay, I gotta explain this even more to you. I don't want to get too deep into the explanation because I don't want to confuse you. But the 8 numbers, okay, the 8 numbers only involved, the 8 numbers involved all 15 pair sums. That's right. Because when you worked it out, when you clicked the feature, it worked with only level 1. Boy, I hope I'm not going to confuse you with this because I just don't want to get too deep into this. It's a bit complicated. But it works with only level 1. So every single pair sum group here, right, works with only level 1. That means when I play the 8 digits, right, when I play these 8 numbers, right, the mixed numbers, they came from all these 15 pair sums. That's right. That's huge because I only had to play 8 numbers, and one of them was the winner. So you're going to be able to play all these patterns with the next upgrade that we're doing, okay? And it's going to show you what the flashing number, the flashing numbers to play. Like that, you're going to see them flashing like that with the play. And I just played the flashing numbers and I won. The winner was 145, okay? And see here, you had, with all these, some of them are duplicates, but the total amount to play here was 4 numbers and 4 flashing numbers. And the winner was 145. You see 145 right there and there. It was on the 2nd level and it was on the 3rd level. So here, if you just played on the 2nd level, you would have been playing with just one single number and you would have won. Okay? So I'm going to keep making videos about this and so you can understand it more. But this is really huge. So the idea is basically that we are combining we're combining the hit and miss chart with the quick pick feature, okay? So it will automate everything for you and it'll flash the numbers and it'll flash these buttons as well to show you which pair sum has flashing numbers in them. This is going to be a really cool feature. You're going to get a lot of wins and you can get huge wins with like single number. For example, you know, like 8, 9, 10s are the most popular, and you see one of them that's overdue. You just play that. You play 2nd level, and you pick one number that's flashing each time, and you play that. You're eventually gonna win, okay? And you could win huge. All right. I wish you the best.